Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am trying so hard to look at the lens and not the viewfinder, so if I do that a lot, I'm sorry. But I decided that this week is an awesome week for a week in the life of a William & Mary / regular old college student who over-involves herself. So I got a lot of fun things going on this week, you know. So I got a presentation that is really important. I got a formals that I'm going to. I got a whole bunch of stuff going on. So I decided that I'm going to take y'all along the week with me. So enjoy. Alright, so I'm on my walk to class right now, my intermediate microeconomics class, whatever. But I saw a shirt on TikTok the other day that was like world's best ex-girlfriend. And he doesn't even go here, which you wouldn't even see. I just think that it would be a great investment to wear because first of all I am, second of all it's hilarious. It's like a baby tee. So give it a like if you think I should buy it and wear it. I think it's an investment. This is the most awkward part of the job. Hello.
Did it work?
Yes, it did.
So you gotta change your screen brightness too.
Oh, I don't even realize that. Thank you.
Let's see which one they're gonna take us to. Oh. Two packages. I don't know why. So I just got the 2 packages that I needed for everything for my formal on Saturday. And I'm so excited. I got so much stuff. Spent too much money, but I think it's worth it because I like looking good. What can I say? Sue me. Alright, so I'm here with Olivia.
Yes.
Check out her YouTube channel.
My $15 meal right here.
$15 for a sub and a lemon poppy seed bagel. Go figure that one out. This one I swiped with the drips and sips. And so
Ridiculous.
technically free. Anyways, we're here to watch a presentation that I'm for this internship that I'm a part of.
Are you not doing the presentation too?
No.
Oh.
It's just Jackie presenting.
Oh.
Yes. Which is going to be so good. It's going to be a 5-minute presentation, 5 to 6 minute presentation, and she's going to kill it.
Yes, she is. I'm
Yeah,
so
that's
excited
right.
to meet her.
All right. Deuces.
Close your eyes to get away.
And my project examines the propensity for Gen Z-led environmental populist movement in the United States.
All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment.
So we just finished filming a podcast episode.
High-low in Buffalo.
Go check us out at Past the Grimdale. We're right here.
It hits.
It hits, and we have the mic and everything.
It looks so saturated.
I like it though. It makes us look tan.
Slay.
I feel like we're looking in on a secret.
I know, right?
Good morning. It is now Tuesday, and I'm headed to work bright and early, 8 a.m., and I'm gonna be working till 11. So I'm gonna run and grab a breakfast because I'm late. AF. Run and grab a coffee, and then I'll meet y'all there. we're in the business school. I don't go here. You have to apply to get in, and it's like a different it's only if you're majoring in certain things can you come here. But I work here at the library, and it's so nice. It's such an easy job. Social movement research policy expert, Washington, D.C. That's how you Google, guys. That is how you Google. And I found a site that works. Call me if you need help coming up with Google keywords. I got you guys. So I'm currently tutoring Amelia in microeconomics. It's one of my 2 jobs here on campus at the TutorZone. So wish us luck, right?
I need it.
No, she doesn't. She's so smart.
Don't expect me to look at the. I haven't got a haircut.
So right now the time is 9 p.m. and I am working on more pip stuff. Kevin just is a G and helped me figure out this graph that I need to do because the amount of critiques I got about the same thing because I just was too lazy to fix the graph. But we did it. Thanks, Kevin. Say hi. Shout out Tanvi.
Not you with 2K views on your.
Oh my gosh. Hey, are you guys painting your coolers? Can I see? Currently going to get my nails done because I have 2 hours in between classes and I don't got anything to do. And these bad boys need to get done before Saturday. And I figured it's a good time, no time like the present, am I right? Let's go get our nails done, guys. And full transparency, I totally forgot I have work on Wednesdays from 12 to 2 because I recently just picked up the shift. So I just didn't show up. And I feel horrible, and my friend called me in the middle of me doing my nails. She's like, where are you? You're not at the library. And I was like, oh. But I got the nails did. I feel so bad. I've never done this before. I'm just having a rough week, to be honest. But hey, nails are good though, so that's keeping me alive. Another day, another shift here at the business school library. This is Hadley, say hi. We work together on Thursdays and it's just the best thing ever. Look, we are so packed and busy, like we don't even know what to do with ourselves, really.
Making those $11 an hour worth it.
It's 13 now.
Oh my god.
I know, it's the best. We have just presented.
Got it.
What? Hey, Professor Smith. We just presented the fellows, where are they? Just presented on the project on international peace and security, y'all. Y'all killed it. Yeah.
Yeah, word.
We got it. Jose Tequilas. No, Juan's. Here we come.
Okay.
Once again, at work. Yesterday I forgot to film, but after the little presentation that I showed maybe 2 seconds of, we went out to dinner, and that was so fun. And then I clocked out because I was so tired. I couldn't do it. Getting out of bed this morning to be here at 8. I was up, but I got coffee. Alright, so I just... Oh my god, nobody told me I looked like this. Or maybe it's just the camera, because it's like this powder sunscreen, and it's like with a brush, so you know what? That's embarrassing. Anyways, I just finished class. You'll be able to see, you know, this lovely little classroom that I'm sitting in. Anyways, I just rented out the camera because I'm going to 2 formals. So I'm really excited. I probably film on that camera, so if video quality changes in a little bit, that's exactly why. So the library on campus, you can actually rent out honestly anything you want. Like the camera I'm using to film this is rented out. This is rented out, and it's all free. We got podcasting kits, tripods, DSLRs, and we have really nice stuff. Like I just get like the old stuff to get kind of that vibe, but we have new stuff. It's crazy how much you can use our library for. Anyways, so just finished my intermediate econ class. Now I'm about to head to my other class for this international relations course that I'm taking that I absolutely hate. You could go listen to my latest podcast episode about that class. Anyways, go follow us at Pass the Grumdoll on Instagram and listen to the podcast. And yeah, bye guys. Now we're in my other class. That was Emma. Yeah. Happy Friday, everyone.
Welcome to the Project on International Frickin' Peace and Security.
Let's go! So I'm here. Say hi, Lucy. Hey. We've all been We're presenting them again. We've been here since 1:30, so we got a little bit longer to go. Here's me researching. Yeah. Jackie! And now we're about to hear Anna's presentation. So wish us luck on this endeavor that is Pips. Alright, y'all, I'm at the beach this lovely Saturday. It's a little windy and dark, but it works. Right, Kyle?
Yeah, it's nice. It's super nice out.
Yeah.
It's like perfect temperature.
But I wish there was a little more sunny and less windy. But the temperature is perfect. So.
Wait, is this a video?
Alright, y'all. I just got back from my formal. I have everything done in my hair. I have the whole dress on. This is my date. Oh,
we're born. We're chilling.
Ethan. Peace. Hey, editing me here. I completely forgot to film that Monday and Tuesday as well as an outro. I honestly kind of just gave up on it. I thought that I didn't have enough footage for the rest of the week. I was like, it's not even worth continuing recording. But I did, and I clearly had way more than enough because I was able to make a whole 12-minute video out of it. So what I would like to say is that what I forgot or didn't want to record or just / gave up was I had my a cappella rehearsals that Monday. And I'm damned if I do, and I'm damned if I don't. 'Cause if
and Tuesday, and also on Mondays I have my sorority chapter meetings. But that's all you guys missed, and then some more class and some more work. Not much to it. The fun parts were the parts that I got on video. So a pat on the back for me for being able to do that. And that's all I have for you guys. This summer, I am planning on posting more consistently. I say that every time, but this time I really feel like I mean it. But also I might not, so I guess only time will tell. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, like and comment. No, I'm kidding. Follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions about William & Mary / college in general, please feel free to DM me. I would more than willing to help and talk to anybody considering William & Mary. And stay tuned for more content that's not about William & Mary. All right. Bye, guys.